Being part of Amnesty allows me to take part in something far, far beyond myself, something that puts into practice the ideals which, if I was on my own, I'd just be sitting at home dreaming about. So being part of Amnesty is about not only empowering myself to a small degree, but helping an organisation that has strong ideals and strong practical capabilities, helping it to become even more powerful.
There's this unity that happens between everyone that's involved in this movement, because there's people from across the world that you've never met, but at that very moment, you guys are contributing to something bigger than yourselves. You're contributing not just for that person that's in jail that you want to be released, you're contributing for the other people that might be sent to jail at the future.
It means a lot to me because it reminds me every day that I'm not alone. I'm not the only one who cares about people's human rights. I'm not the only one who cares about the fact that people are hugely disrespected and discredited and have their lives destroyed because of something they believe in. It makes me realise that it makes me happy that I'm not alone and I have this movement of people who have my back as we have someone else's back. I think that's the crucial thing. And, just the fact that we can work on the same campaign all over the globe and we can have, campaign days on the same day all over the world with everybody kind of working towards the same goal, towards the same objective. It's really powerful. It's really powerful to know that that yourself, alongside millions of other people, part of this global movement, are acting together to ensure positive change. That's such a powerful feeling. You feel kind of like a superhero.